Welcome to University of Tsukuba Libraries. This video shows how to use compact shelving. To save space, the library has powered compact shelving for journals. Lists of journals are posted on the sides of the units on which they are shelved. Before operating the shelves, check that nobody is in the way between units. If the overhead light is on, turn it off. Then push the button by the shelving unit you want to open. After the unit stops moving, enter and use the journal you want. The shelving units will not move as long as the overhead light is on. But should the units start to move when you are between them, quickly exit or lightly kick the orange foot bar. The unit will stop moving and start beeping. The overhead lights do not turn off automatically. Please turn them off when done.